Good morning, ladies and gents. We have a great proposition for you this morning. So, what we have got for you today is a very smart, flexible HR management system that focuses on the small to medium scale sector. Now, this system basically helps you to manage an employee life cycle right from the start to from as the title says in the slide, cradle to grave. So right from the moment you want to hire an employee down to managing the payroll, data, performance management, travel, pretty much anything within an employee life cycle is managed from a single window. Now, it's a super simple system that's very flexible, available on the mobile application, and has got some great social elements, including video conferencing and many other features, which actually is quite flexible and actually can operate over multiple countries. Now, if you look at the market today, if you're in the small to medium scale sector, and if you want to go the digital route, if you want to actually manage a human capital system, one of the biggest challenges you would find is that you would actually end up using multiple systems to manage your human capital. Now, these systems are fairly complicated, hence there's quite a lot of time that's involved in training, and that extends the time to implement. Now, these are out-of-the-box solutions, hence any change you want, the cost is very high. But the worst part is that because actually your systems are in multiple systems and the data is scattered all over the place, if you want to actually run a report or you actually use data to a meaningful purpose, it becomes quite chaotic and a big challenge because you need to pull this from different systems, put it in Excel sheets. It's chaos. Now, that's where we come in. We've got a fully integrated solution that comes out from a single window. It's super user friendly. And because it's user friendly, the time to implement is very low. On an average, we spend 7 to 10 days, that's it, to actually turn around the full implementation. But the best part of it all is that the way we've designed the system, it's got quite a lot of features in it that actually helps us to tackle a wide range of clientele, whether you are a company with 50 members or a company with 10,000 employees. This has got a wide range of features that you as a client can customize on your own end without having to come back to us. Now, I'm going to quickly talk you through a case study we have got wherein almost a year back, we had a major money exchange in the region that came on board, operations in more than 12 countries, over 6,500 employees, multiple business verticals. Before they brought us on board, they had over 20 different systems. Post implementation, today they've got one single system operating over 12 countries that handles multiple currencies. Now, based on what we've been hearing from them, they've had amazing success in terms of reducing their process timing, costs.
Oh, we should probably take this one.
Right. Now, we've got quite, if you look at the segment, there are a few players out there. However, we are what iPhone was to the mobile phone industry when they came in. Today, if you look at it, if you look at all the competition, what we do, none of them is able to do. And the most important thing basically is it's super user friendly. It's the user interfaces, the features. That's what is actually, that keeps us ahead of the game. Now, if you look at actually the market segment that we're trying to tackle, the APAC market, it's pegged at over $8 billion. But the reality, in terms of adoption of HRMS in the sector, hardly 11 to 15%. There's quite a lot of push in terms of going the digital route in this area. And this is a wave that we want to actually capitalize on. And we, with the right support, we will become the next QuickBooks within the HRMS sector. Now, over the last couple of years, we have been actually perfecting our product, and that's where all the focus and the investment has been going into. But even during the stage, we've been having a very good growth, and as we speak today, we're close to around 20,000 employees on board. Now, mid of this year, we've actually completed our product development, and post that, we've been having an amazing traction. Just in November, we've had over 25% customer base increase. December looks like we're going to go over the 30%. Our target is by 2022, with the right support, we will cross the 1 million employee base. Our ask is $1.5 million. Now, where these funds are going to go into is basically, we've got a great team. However, we want to make it better. And we're actually doing a lot of investments in terms of into AI and machine learning. And particularly, we were actually looking at predictive analysis in terms of employee turnover and employee engagement. And we're planning to actually, get that into a much better action right now. And with the expansion plans we are looking at, we want to be present in the key strategic markets that we're looking at. So opening up offices in these key segments and also investing better in terms of our branding and marketing. And a quick run through our senior leadership team members. We've got a mix of tech entrepreneurs, tech geeks, financial advisors, and myself, an HR expert. And we have collectively have quite a lot of experience in terms of turning around businesses. And we also actually have experience in turning around a platform that we've actually exited from a couple of years back. But this time around, we're looking at actually some really new heights over here.